Hello. In today's video, we are going to be teaching you how to make a data store in Roblox. So first we're going to go into server script service, make a script, and do local ds, which stands for data store, equals game colon get service data store service. And then we're going to do local dss, which stands for data store service store whatever, or data store, I don't know, equals ds colon get data store. And then you just put whatever you want here. So I'm gonna do data 1.0. Then we're gonna do an event when the player joins. So game.players.player added connect function PLR local data equals DSS colon get async, and then we're gonna get the DSS dash or no, not DSS, sorry, just put the PLR dot user ID, and I like to add a little bit of a string like ABC. That would just make it so hackers have a hard time hacking your data store. But now we're gonna do if data then, and just in case you want to add more things in the future, we are gonna say we're just gonna put an else there for later. Anyways, local leader stats equals instance dot new folder, not frame, folder, leader stats dot name equals leader stats. It has to be leader stats. Leader stats dot parent equals PLR. Now this can be in both sides, in the else and the non-else statement. Local coins equals instance dot new. You can either do a number value or int value, but int value is never has a decimal in it. Coins dot value equals data, and then you're gonna do these weird box. We're just gonna box in a one. I'm just gonna got box parentheses coins dot name equals coin, and then we're gonna do coins dot parent equals leader stats. And now, just so I can show you that we're saving multiple values, local reverse equals instance dot new int value reverse dot value equals data box parentheses 2 reverse dot name equals reverse reverse dot oh yeah, we already did value dot parent equals leader stats. Okay, now we copy those two over and put in over here. And now I forgot to do something. We need to put an or over the data to values in the first statement. I'm just gonna put 0 on both of them. So if it equals nil, then it's just not gonna go through with that. Okay, now we're gonna do the saving part of it. Game.players.player removing connect function, and then plr. Now we are going to do a folder where we save the values, and I think it's okay to do this in two ways. So first we're going to make our saving table, and I'm going to do it the more difficult way, but it's going to turn out better. So what we're going to do is remove that 2 and replace it with whatever name you chose for it, and do the same thing with the coins. Now we're gonna do for I dash v in pairs player dot leader stats, calling get children, and then we're gonna do. So the v is the variable, and the I is just the int of where it's on. Me personally likes the method of saving this by variable, so we're just gonna do saving table, and then v dot name equals v dot value, and after that's done, we're just gonna do if what we're gonna do is if saving table, then and else you can just put an error message there, tell the game to redo it, but I'm not gonna do that in this video. But if saving table, then dss colon set async, and copy the string from earlier of how you were saving it, and put that there, and put the saving table. Now we're going to make this into a pcall function, local success dash nil. It's not actually a dash, but I like to say that. Or error, to do error instead, equals pcall function, and you have to put the bracket. So what we're gonna do is if success, then else warn error. Also, can't have error be lowercase, but yeah, that's what we're gonna copy down. Just copy whatever's inside the function. Don't copy the last end and the event of the player leaving. And we're gonna do game on bind to bind to close, not blind to close. function for I dash b in, actually we're gonna do I dash player in pairs game dot players colon get children do. Then we're just gonna paste in what we had earlier. Now what we're gonna do is do just a while loop of it saving. While wait 300 do, so that you don't accidentally corrupt someone's save file. So you don't want to be starting immediately. We're just going to copy what we had in the blind or the bind to close function. And yeah, that should be the end of our data store. And let's test if it works. Oh yeah, one more thing. You have to publish your game to Roblox. Very important part of your data store. And you might want to copy your script so it doesn't like get corrupted on accident. Luckily mine didn't. I got a little bit scared there because I did not see that many lines of code. And you're gonna go into your security and just allow these two. Click play. Okay, if now we're gonna go to the server side. Go into my player, change my coins to 1,000. Come back over. See 1,000 coins. I'll leave the game. No error. 1,000 coins. That is your advanced data store. Yeah. See you all in the next one. This thing should never fail. Yeah. Bye.